Are you looking for cowgirl boots that will complement any outfit? Well, I'm Gracie with WTI, and these boots from VIMISAOI are just what you need. I got the brown suede 02 color in the 8.5 size, and the first thing that caught my eye is this beautiful embroidered design throughout the whole boot, which gives it that classic Western look, but still feels really trendy and feminine. And I love that these have a chunky heel and they're made out of a really soft suede material, which means that they're not stiff or bulky like traditional boots. These are the kind of boots I can walk around and dance all night in without regretting my life choices. So I'm 5'3.5" and these come right below my knee. And I love that I can just slide these on and off easily. There's no zippers and there's plenty of extra room. So I feel like if you have slightly bigger calves, that these would work for you as well. I've been wearing these with shorts for a fun casual look, dresses for that effortless cowgirl vibe, and even jeans for that everyday look. These boots are the finishing touch to all my outfits. And that's my point of view.